Solomon's seal, Polygonatum spp., is a perennial herbaceous plant prized for its medicinal properties and historical significance in herbal medicine. Named after the biblical king Solomon, it has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. Its healing properties are diverse, ranging from treating bruises and muscle injuries to aiding respiratory and digestive health. We will look into the plant's habitat, identification, lookalikes, and its extensive medicinal uses. Plant habitat and growth. Solomon's seal thrives in temperate regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. It typically grows in woodlands, shaded areas, and moist, well-drained soils. The plant prefers partial to full shade and is often found along forest edges, stream banks, and damp, wooded areas. It blooms in late spring to early summer, producing small, bell-shaped flowers that dangle gracefully from the arching stems. Look-alike plants. Several plants resemble Solomon's seal, making proper identification crucial, especially as some lookalikes are toxic. The most notable lookalikes include false Solomon's seal, Myanthemum racemosum. Unlike Solomon's seal, it has a plume-like cluster of small white flowers at the end of its stem. Lily of the valley, Convallaria maialis. This plant is highly toxic and has similar leaves, but produces small, white, fragrant flowers in a single row along the stem. Starry false Solomon's seal, Myanthemum stellatum. This plant has star-shaped flowers and zigzagging stems, differentiating it from Solomon's seal. Identification. Solomon's seal can be identified by its arching, unbranched stems that grow from rhizomes. The leaves are oval, alternately arranged along the stem, and have parallel veins. The plant produces clusters of white to greenish-yellow tubular flowers that hang from the underside of the stem. After flowering, it bears small blue or black berries. Edible parts and uses. The young shoots of Solomon's seal can be eaten like asparagus and are considered a delicacy when properly prepared. However, it is essential to ensure accurate identification to avoid confusion with toxic lookalikes. The rhizomes can be cooked and eaten, though they are more commonly used for their medicinal properties. Medicinal parts and uses. Solomon's seal is renowned for its extensive medicinal applications. The primary parts used are the rhizomes and roots, which can be harvested and processed into various forms such as teas, tinctures, and poultices. Preventing bruising and healing blemishes. A poultice made from the rhizomes can be applied to bruises and skin blemishes to reduce inflammation and promote healing. Repairing tissue and muscular trauma. The plant's anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties make it effective in treating torn muscles, ligaments, and general muscular trauma. Stomach inflammation and dysentery. Solomon's seal tea can soothe stomach inflammation and alleviate symptoms of dysentery. Respiratory issues and TB. It has been used to treat respiratory ailments, including tuberculosis, due to its expectorant and soothing properties. Reproductive issues. The plant is believed to support reproductive health and has been used in traditional medicine to address various reproductive concerns. Cardiovascular system. Solomon's seal is thought to support cardiovascular health by strengthening blood vessels and improving circulation. Diuretic and detoxification. It acts as a mild diuretic, promoting detoxification and the elimination of excess fluids from the body. Mild sedative. The plant has mild sedative properties that can help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Strengthening the immune system. Regular use of Solomon's seal is believed to enhance immune function and overall vitality. Harvesting. The best time to harvest Solomon's seal rhizomes is in the fall, after the plant has gone dormant. Carefully dig up the rhizomes, clean them, and allow them to dry before use. Ensure sustainable harvesting practices to avoid depleting wild populations. Warnings. While Solomon's seal offers numerous health benefits, certain precautions should be taken. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Avoid using Solomon's seal during pregnancy and breastfeeding due to insufficient safety data. Diabetes. People with diabetes should consult a healthcare provider before use, as it may affect blood sugar levels. Prior to surgery, discontinue use at least 2 weeks before surgery to avoid potential complications with anesthesia and bleeding. Consumption of berries. The berries can be toxic if consumed in large quantities. Only consume under guidance from a knowledgeable source. Solomon's seal is a versatile and valuable herb in traditional medicine, offering a wide range of health benefits. With proper identification and cautious use, it can be a powerful ally in natural healing and wellness.